Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is another unboxing time and I am unboxing a sampler box full of goodies. If you guys are interested in learning about sampler, I'll put the link down below in the descriptions. I don't get any points or anything. Of course, you're gonna hear my kids in the background, just a disclaimer, I'm throwing it in there now. And you're gonna get free products every month. Is kind of similar like Pinch Me. So if you guys are interested, again, down below in the description. And now let's get into this box. Alright, so the first product that's in the box, it is Millie Luxury Diapers. It's a unisex. They sent me a 2-pack, so I'm definitely gonna give this to my friends. Sorry, my husband's making me laugh. He's being silly in the background. They're dermatologically tested, feather soft, 12-hour absorbency, pH balance liner, and totally chlorine free. And they are cruelty free, allergen certified, and sustainably sourced by wood pulp, I guess. You guys can pause and read this if you like. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm all about natural products, so this is really great. I have a few friends who have little kids and some who are pregnant, so we'll definitely pass this along to them. The next thing are 2 treats. It is by Freebies. They're sandwich cookies with peanut butter and sandwich cookies with hazelnut flavor filling. So I'm pretty sure it's like Nutella. These look really good. I can't wait to try this. My husband likes peanut butter and I like chocolate Nutella, so this works out. And there's not much about it. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. Oh, they're the Bimbo brand. Oh, alright, so it's the Bimbo company. So they're a baked goods company. They make bread, snacks, and that means it's gonna be good because I like Bimbo, so I grew up on it. Alright, the next thing, it is from a brand I've never heard about, Bob's Red Mill. It is instant oatmeal and apple pieces and cinnamon. I wonder if there's apple pieces in here. Doesn't feel like it, it just feels like oatmeal. Interesting, I've never heard of this brand. Oh, they're gluten free, so if you have a gluten intolerance, this is really good for you. They're made with whole grain oats. They're non-GMO verified, and these are the ingredients if you guys want to pause and read that. The next thing is, I already opened it up because I wanted to try it, because I recorded this video before but it was like no sound, but it doesn't matter. It is their NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Cannabis Seed Oil as a lip conditioner. I got big lips. Okay. It feels really soft. It has cannabis sativa in it, so some CBD. The wording is really small in the back, but I'll like do my best to like make it readable, I guess. Yeah. But it really is like conditioning on your lips. Like it makes your lips really soft. Yeah, I think it works. My lips feel soft and plump. Alright, and the last thing but not least is their Airwick essential oils in the pumpkin spice scent. Okay, so they sent me one like this before. I've been using it in my room. It doesn't have that typical pumpkin smell. It actually smells really, really, really good, and I totally recommend this. Like, and it lasts long. It lasts up to 60 days and it's really good. And here you can control the intensity. I usually put it like in the middle, but it's made my room smell really good. And like I said, it's not that typical pumpkin-y smell. It's actually very fragrant. It's a really nice fragrance. So yeah, so that was everything that was in my sampler box. They sent me some information. This is the Bob Red Mills. You can pause if you want to read this. Let me get it to like focus. if it is gonna focus. Alright, I don't know if it focused or not. NYX sent me, oh, there's a coupon for 20% off your next order. You guys can use that code right there if you shop NYX. It is NYX Summer 21, and they have a lot of cool stuff. And then of course I got a coupon for the Principe. Oh, Principe. I'm like Principe. Principe is Bimbo brand. Hello, Spanish brand. But I said I grew up on it. And it's called Principe, not Principe. And I'm just like, take away my Spanish card. Take away my Hispanic card. Take it away. And then of course this is the Total Beauty box. And yeah, so that's everything that's in my box. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you are interested in getting a sampler box, again, I'll put the link down below in the description. If you guys are interested and if you want to know any more about any of these products, you guys can just comment down below and I will give you more detail. By the time I post this, I've already probably tried everything, so can help you guys out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching, and please stay safe out there. Bye now.